Here we go with Spot from The Good Dinosaur. Let's draw a couple eyes first. Draw a circle. And draw another circle on the other side. How about an eye width away? Draw another circle on the inside. A little closer to the middle part. And another one on the other side. And draw a small circle inside that to show the pupil. Alright. Next we'll draw a small pudgy nose and just an upside down U. And then under there will be the two nostrils. Alright, so from about here to on the outside of the eye over to the other side will be his mouth. So let's just draw a wide U-shaped curve and then a small line on either side. Okay, now from here to about here will be his chin, about this deep. So let's just go draw that. Alright, and let's draw eyebrows. So right about there and there, and then a line right above it, so it's getting thicker towards the middle. And we'll do the same on the other side, like so. And then he's gonna have a lot of hair. Let's do that. Starting here, let's just draw a line down this way and another line this way, and this will frame his face. So let's curve up the cheek first, up and that way. Here you're not going to be able to see this side because of his face, because the hair is going to be covering it. So let's just draw a line that goes inward a bit, a couple of squiggly lines like so, like this, and then let's curve out the cheek. Alright, underneath the eye, the hair here will be the ear, so let's make a curve like so, and on the other side we'll see a small glimpse of it as well. Alright, so top of his hair, let's draw some crazy lines here. To show the hair, and it goes out here. Couple hairs coming behind his ear here. And just draw some lines like so. Okay, and we'll do the same on the other side. Again, his hair is a little wild, so just draw some lines out. Doesn't really matter. Just kind of imagine where the hair would go. Little texture lines out here, and then out here, maybe coming out and behind the ear, like so. Okay, so there's his face. Now we're gonna draw his body. Draw a couple lines that go down this way to show his arms. Down like so. Another one on the other side. Let's draw a line this way. line out. Those will be his fingers. Make a curve inward. Same here. Curve in. And then draw a small thumb this way. Small thumb. And draw the inside of his arm going up, just like this. Okay, so right here from this arm to this arm, just draw a curve to show the top of his shorts. And then another one underneath, kind of just more or less a straight line. And that again, that would be the bottom of his shorts. Alright. Now we'll draw his legs. So I'll draw a curve up and down first, and on the other side, up and down. And we'll continue this one towards the hand. We'll do the same over here, towards the hand. Alright, draw the feet. Again, a curve this way, curve out and in. Alright, let's separate a couple of his fingers. So from this curve down here, go up a bit and over. Again, up, over, here, up, over, and one last. And we'll do the same with the toes. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Alright. So let's put a line here to show the separation between the upper leg and the lower leg. Same here. Just a small line, like so. Alright. Well, let's keep him from looking like he's floating by just adding a little shadow line over here. A little black. Okay. And there you go. That is Spot from The Good Dinosaur. I'll go ahead and color this in. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like. Thank you. Have a great day.